Practitest, test management tool. Keep what's working, streamline what isn't.
Hello, today we are going to do a video on state of the art test management tool. We are team / and our group ID is weekend 20. So let's start with the description about the tool and its importance. What is PractiTest? PractiTest is a web-based system that could be used across platforms and browsers that help to provide the correct testing methodological guidelines. And most important thing is, this is affordable to all organizations who stayed with Excel or Bugzilla since they couldn't afford the expensive enterprise platforms by HP or IBM. By adding the PractiTest application lifecycle management solution to your workflow, it is easy to streamline your process by time case management, test sets and runs, requirement management, issue management, data structuring, and time management. With the use of this ALM, it is easy to increase efficiency and stop doing the same work repeatedly. Address immediate testing needs with reusable tests, define goals and objectives, and keep track of their fulfillment. Can monitor each phase in the testing process and see real-time progress. Keep everyone informed with advanced reporting and customizable dashboards. Integration. PractiTest is a powerful two-way integration for all Jira hosting options. Provides a seamless test management, QA and development process solution that allows testing traceability from end to end. Just like this, PractiTest is also integrated with Eggplant test automation, Pivotal Tracker test management, CA Agile Central integration, Azure DevOps integration, UTrack two-way integration, and also with GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, and many more. Thousands of users use PractiTest as it is a tool that enables teams to manage their software testing projects. We will give you some of the users of PractiTest: Spotify, Developer Town, FedEx, Freeman, Discovery Channel, SentinelOne, etc. This testing tool is used as a solution in industries like software and technology, healthcare, finance and insurance, retail, education, gaming, marketing, business information, media, and many more. So guys, let's see how to do the installation and configure part. So actually we don't have a configure or installation part. We just need to configure. I mean, you just need to sign in and do whatever you want. Why? Because this is a web-based testing tool, as I mentioned before. So let's see how to do this. So you can go to Google and you just need to Google PractiTest. So you will have this type of links. Then you just need to go to practitest.com. This is the website. So you can as a student you can try it out. So you just can have free trial. If you want enterprise level stuff, you can buy it as well. So we can go and register to this site, and let's have this tool. So you just need to give the details. Actually you just need to give all of them. So let's have these things. The main part is you want to give a enterprise level, I mean address, company email. So you can't give Gmail, Yahoo, Ymail, Outlook, those things. You can simply give your university email address or company email address. Then the others are normal stuff. Then you can register. So after that you will have a verification email. When you click that verification email, you will have access for your account. So I have already done those stuff, and I just need to log into my account. Then let's see how to log in. So let's log in. So you can give your email address. I give my email address here, then sign in. You can have password as well. Remember, sign in. Then this is the PractiTest tool. So I will explain some stuff for you. Here we have account settings, logout, personal settings, those stuff, and this is the dashboard here. So project history, those stuff here, and project history, taskboard, those things. The main part is those requirements, test library, test sets and runs, issues, reports. So this is like a circular method. You just need to give requirements, after that test libraries, test sets and runs, issues, after finally you can have reports. So this is the scenario here. So we will see what we can do with an example. To begin our test management tool usage, we need to add a new project. For that we need to go to account settings, then you can go to project management, then you can create a new project. So you can edit your existing project as well. It is an initial project given by the PractiTest. Then you can create new project. You need to give a name for this project. I will give you DMOSEPQM. Then you can clone what you want settings. If you want settings, then you can clone them as well. Your users settings, maybe the test cases as well, so you can clone them. Then get, so you need to create project. So I am going to create without cloning. So I have my project, so I need to select that project from here. You need to go to here and click demo speak my project name. Then I have got my account, and this is my dashboard. So I have got all the things here. So first of all, we need to add a requirement. So let's go to requirements, and we need to add a requirement. Then I am going to take requirement as the logging, successful logging. So we need to go and add my requirement name is login, user login successfully, success. This is my username. This is the mandatory field. So I can, if you want, you can give the description as well. You can have these designs as well for giving my things. So if I give like this, you can, this is a heading, user login. Logging is the main thing. I will go to bold that, so you can see my decorations as well. So the initiate status is not covered, so the others are normal, and you can attach any file as well here. So you need to save changes. Then you have added your requirement. If you go back to requirement phase, you have the requirement, and the initiate status is not covered because we don't have any test library for this requirement. If you got any test library, it will be got no status or something like that. So if you want to delete the requirement, then you can click delete. If you want to batch edit, batch delete, or print, you can use them as well. Those are there, and this is the main part. I'm going to explain the main parts only because it is the point, right? So if I'm going to I have got the requirements, then I need to give test libraries, then we can give test sets and runs. So let's go select test library. Now you can add new test here. You can give login, user login, I'm just giving this, and successfully. This is enough for test library. So I'm going to give steps here. So you need to specify the steps for the test library. So you can add new steps from here. So first you need to give use login URL. Enter login URL, right? Expected result, load what? Login page. Okay, that's what I want. Then the second step, maybe you can have more steps. I'm going to give only 2 steps. Add user details, and submit. The expected result for success, our test is successful. So success login message and home page, maybe. Okay, so I just give 2 steps for here. You can give more than this if you want, and the thing is I need to link with the requirement, right? Because I have given the requirement but we didn't link this, so this is the place we can link them. Traceability, then you can go to link requirements. Then if you don't remember the ID, you can give this show requirements. So if you go to show requirements, you have the what we have created, right? Not covered, this add. Then it is here coming for here, it is linked with the requirement. So we have done so far so good. So we need to save changes. It is added successfully. Then we can go to test library and check whether it is okay or not. It is the status is no run. If you want to check, if we are going to check the status of requirement, it is going to change to no run as well. Yeah, that's it. So we need to give test sets and test runs. It is for assigning the test cases for the testers. Okay, so we need to add a new test. You need to test validate user login. I'm just going to give that and assign to who you want to assign. You can add them by going to settings and you giving users and groups. So you can add them as well if you what you want. And expected date, you can add the expected date whatever you want. Then version, this is the base version, then we can select any version. So expected version, that's the you can't add any version. So task board, it is to do because we need to do that or in progress, so maybe it is on your choice. So you can add codes as well for this. If you want to add links, there are some spaces as well. So this is what we want, and that's it. So we can new test change, no, save changes. We need to save those stuff as well. So this is what you got. And when you run now, if you want to click run now, then we because it came we didn't link with the test library, right? So we need to link them. I didn't remember to do that. So we can go to task. Save changes. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. We can give test. Okay, it is added. So that's what we wanted, so we can run now. So this is what we got. So we can give pass or fail anything. I can give validated. If you want to fail, you can fail that. Didn't validate what do you want. That's it, right? And it is a continuous assessment, so you can have those stuff as well. Running time here, so you can we expected to finish this at 31st, so we can have this that much of time, so you can pause if you want the time. That's what we got. Back to test sheet. So it is failed because one pass, one fail. It is failed whole scenario, so that's it. That's what we got here. If you pass both, what happened? Let's see. Yeah, that's it, right? So this is what we wanted to show you. If you get fail, you can add issues as well from here. So this is the thing. Is same like those test sets and test libraries. So I don't want to explain them for you. So I just need to talk about the reports, because it is gonna generate when you give test sets and issues rapidly, so you can have those reports as well. And the thing is, you can print them as well if you want. It is really good with the test management tool like this. So that's it. I think you got everything about the practice test, and you can use this if you want. Happy coding.